If you skip this video and keep doing the same lazy stuff this winter, you'll wake up next spring looking exactly the same, softer face, zero style, and zero confidence. And by then, it'll be too late. Because winter is where legends are built, in silence, when everyone else is sleeping in. This winter is your only shot to rebuild yourself from the ground up, not for others, for you. You've seen Marlon's transformation, right? The before picture, that soft, regular guy with a rounder face and no real presence. Then the after, sharp, cold, structured. That's not just a new haircut or better lighting. That's a man who figured out what discipline and consistency can do. The kind of change where even your friends start asking, "Bro, what happened to you?" This is your winter, to become that guy. Because let's be real, if you don't take the season seriously, you'll be in the same cycle again next year. Tired, scrolling, comparing, still talking about glow-ups instead of living one. But if you take this seriously, winter can be your rebirth. See, everyone wants a Marlon glow-up, sharp jawline, clean skin, perfect photos. But nobody wants to understand why it worked. It's not the money, not the genetics. It's 5 small shifts that change how you look, move, and carry yourself, all under budget. The kind of changes that don't just make you attractive. They make you look like you belong in every room you walk into. It starts with the hair. Marlon didn't just get a new haircut. He built a visual identity. When you change your hair, you don't just look different. You start acting different. The key isn't to copy him. It's to understand what he did. He picked a style that frames his face. One that brings the jawline forward and cuts down the baby face softness. You can do the same. Clean fade, short texture crop, or a bold color if you got the confidence for it. Tell your barber you want to cut to shape your jaw, not hide it. Then every morning, spend 2 minutes styling it. That's all. 2 minutes that separate messy from main character. But let's be honest, no haircut saves you if your face is bloated. A strong face comes from smart discipline, not starving yourself, not chasing gym memberships, just fixing small habits. Cut sugar, fried food, and late night eating for 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and your face will literally shrink. Walk, jump rope, or do fast-paced workouts in your room. Chew gum after meals to tone your jawline and fix your posture. Lift your head slightly when you walk. Pull your shoulders back. That alone changes how people see you. You start to look like you have control over yourself and over your life. Now the skin. You can't talk glow up without talking skin. And no, you don't need a 10-step routine or expensive serums. You just need to stay consistent. Cleanse, moisturize, sleep, repeat. Even your water intake and sleep schedule can make your skin look 10x better. The trick? Use a clean towel for your face, change your pillowcase twice a week, and apply sunscreen. Yes, even in winter. Because sunlight hits harder when it reflects off cold air. Healthy skin isn't about perfection. It's about discipline showing on your face. The fourth thing, and maybe the most important, is the body. Marlon didn't bulk up. He sculpted. That lean model athlete look? That's from functional training. Push-ups, pull-ups, squats. No machines, no excuses. When you train your chest, shoulders, and core, your frame changes. Your clothes fit better. Your posture improves. And your face starts looking tighter because your overall fat percentage drops. Do this for 1 winter, and you'll realize you didn't need a gym. You needed consistency. And now we reach the part nobody talks about. Style. Because all the muscle, skin, and hair in the world won't matter if your outfit screams average. Marlon's glow-up worked because his style matched his face. He wore clean, simple fits, neutral colors, structured pieces, and fitted clothes. No logo flex, no loud designs, just quiet confidence. Black, white, navy, gray, olive. That's your color range. Your job is to make it fit. Fold, tuck, pin. Do whatever you have to until it looks made for you. That's how you look expensive even when you're not. Now, let's shift into the real heart of this, your winter arc. Because this season can either be your downfall or your dominance. While most people slow down, you'll speed up. When they say it's too cold to go out, you'll be putting in work. You're not fighting the cold. You're using it to sharpen your edge. Wake up early, even when it hurts. That pain, that's your mind building armor. Your first 30 minutes decide the rest of your day. Bright light, water, a few minutes of movement. No scrolling, no distraction. If you win the morning, you win the whole arc. Then comes the styling. Winter is the best season for glow-ups because layers give you power. They make your silhouette structured, masculine, and mysterious. Start with a fitted base layer, a tee or thin sweater. Add a shirt or overshirt. Then finish with a coat, bomber, or puffer depending on your vibe. Use textures, wool, denim, rib knits. They make even a cheap outfit look elite. Keep your shoes clean. Dirty shoes ruin perfect fits. And always smell good. Scent travels faster in cold air. Use it to your advantage. Winter grooming? That's survival mode. The air is dry, which means your skin, lips, and beard need extra care. Use a thicker moisturizer. Keep lip balm on hand. And if you're growing stubble, keep it lined and clean. Don't let laziness ruin your look. Food. Don't use winter as an excuse to eat trash. Your meals should keep you warm and lean. Soups, eggs, chicken, roasted vegetables, whole grains. Add vitamin D if you barely see sunlight. Stay hydrated even if you're not sweating. That's how you keep your face sharp and your body active. Now here's where most guys fall behind. Photos. You can look perfect in person, but if you don't know how to take a good picture, you'll still look mid. Photos are your digital reputation. They speak before you do. So learn the basics. Lighting. Natural light is everything. Face a window or shoot during golden hour. Angles. Never face the camera straight on. Turn slightly. Drop your chin. Let the jawline show. Posture. Chest open. Shoulders back. 1 foot slightly ahead. Relaxed but controlled. Hands matter. Never just hang them awkwardly. Hold something or adjust your jacket. And your expression? Don't force it. Keep your eyes calm, your mouth neutral, and imagine you're remembering something deep. That's how you look effortlessly photogenic. Winter photos hit different when you wear textures, scarves, clean coats, sharp collars. Contrast your background. If the world around you looks gray, wear navy or olive so you pop naturally. Every morning, repeat the same short ritual. Wake up, drink water, move your body, wash your face, style your hair, dress with intention. During the day, walk tall and check your posture every hour. At night, cleanse your face, eat light, and sleep early. That's it. The simplest, cheapest glow-up system that 99% of people ignore. The truth is, it's not about copying Marlon. It's about copying his discipline. That's what made his transformation viral. Not the haircut, not the filters. The fact that you could see the discipline in his eyes. He built a new face because he built new habits. And this winter, you can do the same. No excuses, no waiting for motivation. Just one promise that you'll show up every single day, even when it's cold, even when no one's watching. Take 30 days and make it your foundation. By spring, people won't recognize, and you'll smile, not because of validation, but because you did it quietly while no one was watching. This winter can be soft or it can be legendary. Choose legendary.